Hi, Lou Manfredini, Ace's home expert, with another Halloween decorating idea, how to make a spider out of a light bulb. Let me show you how it's done. All right, so you're gonna start with a light bulb, any kind of light bulb you have lying around, and you have two choices here. You can either spray paint this first with a little black spray paint, or what I'm gonna do is actually make the spider legs and get it all ready, and then paint it at the end. You're gonna wanna use what's called solid wire. Now you can either buy this by the foot at the hardware store, or you can buy a roll like this. Now the reason you want solid is it's a little bit more rigid and easier to bend into place. This is gonna take a little trial and error, but I'm gonna go ahead and cut a length of about close to maybe 18 inches or so, 2 feet long, and then use a pair of wire cutters to cut it. Now, I'm gonna take that wire, and basically in the center, I'm gonna put the light bulb there. On the back, we're gonna start with the back legs of the spider, and I'm gonna wrap this around the stem of the light bulb, okay? Same on the other side, so that you get a nice kind of position like this. Now, it's not gonna stay there by itself, so that's where the glue gun comes in place. So once you kind of have it positioned where you want, you just need a dab or two of the hot glue to kind of go in there to set the wire to the actual stem of the light bulb. So then you're gonna allow that glue to cool down so it gives a nice firm hold to it. And then you're gonna repeat that, whether you want your spider to have 8 legs, like spiders really do, or 6 legs, which might be a little different. And then you can always test people to their knowledge of whether spiders have 8 legs or 6 legs. I'm gonna just roughly trim this so that they're relatively even. And then I'm gonna do my other ones. Same 18 inches or so. Right in the center. Okay, so with the legs put on there, now we're ready to spray. You want to make sure that that glue dries enough, and you may have to trim the legs so that you get the shape of it just the way you want. You can always adjust it later on. And remember, if you use an LED bulb, it'll save energy. Just kidding. Always remember to do any spray painting in a well-ventilated area. Since we're going to use these legs to help us paint it, I'm going to flip this over first and do the underside. Shake up that can of paint really well and just give it a quick shot. Then grab the legs, flip it over, and hit it on top. Super easy project making a spider out of a light bulb. And make sure you check out our other videos on our YouTube channel about the jack-o'-lantern and how to make the ghost.